Okay, so sir, it says grade 6 students needed 19 cookies for the walkathon. Each cookie cost $7.89, which is the best estimate of the total cost of cookies. So what I did, I put 7.89 times 19 times 19, and it gave, wait, and it gave me my answer, which was close to C 155.00. So I put C for my answer.
Okay. All right. But we don't say 7.89. You see, once we pass the decimal point, we go digit. So it's 7.89. Yeah. All right.
Yes,
Yeah, but
yes,
it's
sir.
correct. Good job. Good job. It's correct. It's pretty straightforward, right? Somebody actually sent me this as the answer. When you multiply, this is what you're gonna get. I agree. But look what it says, which is the best estimate. Estimate mean it not gonna be exact, but the closest one to it. So you have to examine one and say, okay, if me have approximately 5 and a little more, you can get to that. No other number is as close as that. All right. So a few persons did not saw the word estimate and they did the actual thing. I don't want my students to do that in exam, guys. Read the questions carefully. Thanks so much, Cox. All right, so 29 says, Nardia, who is 16 years old, is 4 times as old as her brother. How old will she be when she's twice as old as her brother? And these are some very nice questions. I like them. I'm not gonna tell you, like, I love them. So take your time, work it out. Come on, go ahead. Really explain.
Norla is 16 years old and 16 years old is 4 times as old as her brother. How old will she be when she's twice as old as her brother? So what I did first was I divide 4 into 16 and I got 4. Then 16 plus x
Wow.
equals 2 bracket 4 plus x. 16 plus x equals 8. Plus 2x. 16 divided by 8 equals 2x divided subtracted. 16 subtracted by 8 equals 2x subtracted by x. 8 equals the x. So in 8 years, Natalie will be 16 plus 8, which is equals to 24 years old. And I got my answer C.
Excellent, excellent. Very good. Are you always come on the CXC class? No. You need to do city angles, And I think you need to do city angles stage too. All right, on to number 30. Correct, Eliana. Somebody else had sent me, but I didn't. Brian as well. But I didn't want to interrupt and Tori. All I got it, but I didn't want to interrupt the presenter, so that's why I ignore it until she's finished. So both of you got, sure you got that. All right. All right. So go ahead and do this one, guys. Remember, guys, this is better you should keep me. I went to buy bananas. The bananas cost $20 each. The shop had a special discount. Buy four and get the fifth banana free. Kyle left the store with 22 bananas. How much did he pay? Garfield, if you want, you can take on this one. Let me know. Your hand was up earlier when but Shanice's hand was up first. So you can pick if you want to do it. All right, let me know.
Sir, what I did was that it said Kyle went to buy bananas. The bananas cost $20 each. The shop had a special discount. Buy four and get the fifth free. Kyle left the store with 22 bananas. How much did he pay? So what I did is that I did 20 times 4. I did 20 times 4, which gave me 80. And then I did 80 times 4, which, and then my answer would be B, 360.
You want to get the 320, you just say, okay, 360.
Yes, sir.
Now, I was kind of trying to get the reason behind it, but that's the correct, you know. That's would be correct. This is another way that we could look at it. We could literally just try the numbers, right? Because if you spend 320, it means that you have bought 16, correct? Because when I divide, I get 16 there. If you buy 16, how many 4s in 16? 4, right? So that means you will only get 4 extra. So that would be only 20. So right away you can see, say, okay, it has to be B. But let's prove it. If we divide by 2, we're going to get 18. So it means that you purchased 18. But how many free ones you got? 4, same way, right? Because in 18, you're going to have 4.5, right? So let's call this a 4 free ones. And when you add 2 to that, you get the 22. So it's definitely value.
Nick is around. A lot of roasted. Roasted. Get around.
Kaylee. Kaylee, I sent you the wrong something. Sorry about that. Correction is Nathan as well, correct. Good job. Oh, I'm never pause this up, man.
So it says that Nick has 15 coins and he gave away 4 of his coins to Jay, which means Nick is left with 11 coins. It was okay, so now that he is left with 11 coins, it says Jay now has 3 times the amount of coins that Nick has left. And you would have to times the 3 times 11, which is 33. And it says, how many coins did Jay have before getting the 4 coins? So you would have to subtract 4 out of the 33, which would give you 29. So that's how I got my answer C.
Very good. No, I don't need to add anything at all to that. All right, go ahead and do 32. This might be the last one. Let's see how it goes. Sorry, me answer somebody else and I realize I 32 then. I think I answer for 31. Correct, Aiden. Because I 32 yeah. Correct, Tiffany. Correct, Leona. Correct, Nathan. Correct, Devontae. Correct, Nathan. Correct, Marissa. Correct, Kiliana. Kalana. Correct, Brian. Correct, Kaylee. Correct, Shanice. Correct, Tori. Correct, Ariana Brown. Well done. That's it, guys. Correct, Casey. Correct, Tara Lee. Hold on. Oh. I just realized. Correct, Symphonic. Correct, Asianic. Correct, Asianic. Alright, can we get a presenter now? I'm checking the chat and I think that should be it. Correct, Ariana. This was Shiloh. Correct, Shiloh. Good evening, Nathan. I just see that text there. Yo! Correct, Kimani. Oh, Kayla, they're here. Okay, you just come on. Williams, where reach at 33? Kadisha, where reach 33? Correct, Tucson. Correct, Charlie. Where reach at 33? With the 32. Can we get a presenter? Let's see somebody. Williams. No Williams, sir. Morgan do it already. Kaylee do it already. Eliana do it already. Dawkins. So it's either Dawkins. Alright, Dawkins. Cause you're the first one. And go ahead, Dawkins. Your background noisy, man.
Sir, I don't want to do it.
Go ahead.
Sir, I said I don't want to do it.
I'm not hearing him. He's a boy.
Yes, sir. I'm using my mommy's phone.
And you know what I'm saying? Say something about him, mom. You can't present, that's what you're trying to say?
Yes.
Okay. Alright. Let me check on Casey then. Casey, and who's next? Alright, go ahead, Casey.
So sir, what I did first was multiply 300 times 12. So 2 times 0 is 0. 2 times 0 is 0. 3 times 2 is 6. And I put down the 0 as a placeholder. 1 times 0 is 0. 1 times 0 is 0. And then 1 times 3 is 3. And then I add them all. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. 6 plus 0 is 0. And 3 plus nothing is. No, 6 plus 0 is 6. Sorry. And then 3 plus nothing is 3. And then what I realized that is not the same amount that Paula owes her mother. So what I did was started to add 300 to that same answer, so I get 5,400.
That's a lot of work, you know.
And then
I
let's
think
see.
I'm just wow. It's a lot of work, man. What you found though?
And when I was finished, I counted the multiplication that I did as 1 year, and then I counted all the additions that I did to get to 5,400, which gave me 1 year and a half.
Oh, see what you did. So you check out for 1 year first, cause then you say, oh, I see what you mean. So you
See?
I understand it. All right. Thanks so much. All right. Let me see if we have 4 minutes. Let me see if Leona wants to give us any input. Go ahead, Leona.
So,
This is how
sir,
you do it as well.
I did an other way, sir.
All right,
So
go ahead.
first, I divided 5,400 by 300. But since they're ending with zeros, I I crossed out the zeros, which left me with 54 and 3. So I divided 54 by 3. 3 into 5, 1 time. 1 times 3 is 3. I subtract it. Then I got 2. Then I carried on the 4. 3 into 24, 8 times. 8 times 3 is 24. And then no remainder, which is 18. But since I know 1 year is 12 and 6 is half a year, 6 plus 12 is 18. So it's going to be 1 year and a half.
Yeah, I agree with both of you. All right. So, guys, unfortunately, we have come to the end of another class. You know why I say that? Because we're going to here again. And again and again till exam. So, it's not unfortunate. We come to the end, guys. Thank you so much to all the presenters. Thanks, everyone, for responding. Thanks, everyone, for trying and making class awesome as usual. So I'll see you guys in the 2 hours class, whether it's Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, or Saturday. Everybody know them timetable. Take care till then, alright? And please pay attention in school and study. Alright?
Yes, sir.
Alright. So take care everyone.
Bye, sir.
Bye. Take care. I will post the videos
Thanks, bye.
so you can go
Yes,
through them in
sir.
your spare time.
Thanks, sir.
Bye. Take care.
Bye, sir.
Bye. Take care. See you guys soon, alright? Remember we're on the
Bye, sir.
performance stars topics. Bye. Take care. Performance stars topic. Perimeter area. Volume. Then total surface here, alright? This is our year, guys. Our year to shine. Gotta make the best of it, alright? I'm not gonna stop you from accomplishing our goal.
Bye,
Take care.
sir.
Bye. Take care. See you soon, alright?
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah, man. Go ahead, Devante.
Sir, you have one son named Jeremiah Bennett?
I'm not Jeremiah name. Sanjay. Him say, why you say, me and him father? Eh?
You're still recording.
Oh, yeah, yeah, alright.
Bye, sir.
Bye. Take care.